Good morning. Oh, wow! It is snow falling outside. I have never seen this in my life. So cute. Ooh, it's so sparkly and soft. I love the snow. What would you do if you saw snow first time in life? Oh, this is absolutely amazing! Everything sparkles! Who left you out here? Don't worry. Come with me, little one. Don't be afraid of me. I am not here to harm you, little one. I think I should take him home now. And what would you do if you find him shivering in snow? Tell me on comments. Here in extreme cold weather, and you didn't see snow outside. It's cold out here. Come inside where it's warm, and I promise it's safe. First, I need to clean you, and then keep you warm. Oh, look at you eating.